Welcome to my channel. I am Moody Chef Sargun and today I'll make dal makhni. For more quick and delicious recipes, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. First, put overnight soaked dal and rajma in a pressure cooker and add water. Now add oil, salt, turmeric, cinnamon and black cardamom. Close the lid and cook it for 4 to 5 whistles. After 4 to 5 whistles, wait for 5 minutes and remove the lid. Mash a few grains of dal to check if it is cooked. Now add water. We'll need a lot of water to cook dal makhni so it can be thick and creamy. After a boil, add more water. Again after another boil, add some more water and mix it. Now we add milk, cream or malai. Mix it properly. Now it's time to make the tadka. Put oil in a pan. Now add some butter, ginger, garlic and cook it a little. After cooking, we add onions. Mix it and cook it a little. Then add Kasuri methi, red chilli powder, Degi red chilli powder, coriander powder and garam masala. Mix it and let it cook for 5 minutes. Now we add tomato puree. You can make it at home by grinding a few tomatoes or buy it from the market. Mix it and cook it for some time. Now add salt to dal and simmer it on low flame for 5 to 10 minutes. Now we add the masala that we made. Mix it and let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. The more we cook it, the creamier it will be. Now add milk cream or malai for garnishing and a piece of butter. Serve it hot with naan or roti. Voila! Restaurant style dal makhni is ready. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and share with all your friends and family. For more such delicious recipes, keep watching Moody Chef Sargun.